What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financier Pro for another YouTube video. Please subscribe below. Let me know what you guys think about this secured credit card. Now, today, if you hear the background, my son is playing Fortnite with his friends online, so please don't get at me for the background noise. But I want to talk to you today about this secured credit card. You don't need a credit check, no hard inquiry or nothing like that. This is a great opportunity with the secured credit card. And let's see who issues it. So, Synovus Bank in Columbus, Georgia issues this credit card. You can use it anywhere. Just like any other secured credit card, you put your money on it, use it. Make sure you don't max it out if you want to build your credit up. Keep it below 10%, guys. You need a secured credit card if you're starting out or if you have bad credit with a installment loan as well. So that's where kickoff.com comes in at, and other installment loans, like self that you pay into and you get that money back at the end of the term. But with this secured credit card, there's no credit check, which is good. It's good. You want to keep those inquiries below a certain percentage if you can. Let's see, the features on it is get approved fast, no credit history or minimum credit score required, quick and complete online application. Now I'll put the link below this video description for you guys to get on there, or if you want to ask me more questions about it, please comment in the video below. Expedited processing available, full feature Platinum MasterCard secured credit card, 24/7 online access to your account, nationwide program not yet available in New York, Iowa, Arkansas, or Wisconsin, but everywhere else it's available. The annual fee is $44, which is cool. You use it for 6 months to a year, then you graduate to an unsecured credit card. Stay away from the cash advances if you can. I never do a cash advance on a credit card, but if you need to, it's there. This is to establish and build your credit, guys. Is there anything else I want to share with you about this? Full feature Platinum MasterCard. Let's get it. MasterCard, man. Let's get it. Build credit. That's what I'm all about. Building credit, sharing knowledge. And if you guys want to find out more about becoming an agent with this company, let me know. Comment below. I'll see you guys next time. Let's get this credit. Let's build this wealth. Let's succeed. That's what it's all about. Success. Peace and love, y'all. See you next time on Financier Pro YouTube channel.